Here's a little project I've been working on. On the left is the end product, and the right is a bit of the code for it. It's to help students solve a problem like this: 27 equals 5x plus 42, with the help of a calculator. It gives them some hints, but it doesn't completely give away everything right away. But if this isn't enough, reminding them basically we need to find x, you can say, I'm stuck. Gives them a hint, hey, maybe we need to subtract something. What is it we need to subtract? 42. Now, we don't need the calculator to subtract 42 from 42 because that's obviously 0, but we might need it to subtract it from 27. So we do that, and along the way, we get a little encouragement. Almost there. And then when we're actually there, it congratulates us, tells us what's been done, and then gives us the new version of the equation. Now, this 5x is really 5 times x. So just as we used subtraction to undo addition, we're going to use division to undo this multiplication by 5. So we divide by 5 next, and we get our final answer where x equals -3. Thanks for following along. Really excited about this project. It's definitely a first draft aesthetically, but it's got the main ideas in there, which I'm super pumped about.